We made it! We did. Said it was going to be a 35-minute wait, and it was 10 minutes. That's not bad at all.
Hey everybody in YouTube, this is Space Mountain, rocking and rolling, and we're gonna have a good time.
Rocking and rolling. Am I gonna win? Yes. We're so cute. You guys, it is so nice now. I'm here at Disney today with my friend Shira. Hi. You guys saw her in my Disney Springs vlog actually, but we're back. We're back. We're doing the parks now and it's a beautiful day. Weather is perfect. Rides are amazing. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We have a whole day ahead. You guys, look how empty it is right here. It's a Saturday and it's empty. So we're in line for PhilharMagic and this one is so much fun because it plays all the Disney songs and all like the classics. And so it's a fun little sing-along, you know. I love this ride. It made me so happy when I was little. It's just like a little 3D show and you like follow Donald Duck through all the Disney movies. So this one is usually slept on a lot and it's actually really fun. So I recommend doing this. 10 out of 10. And it's indoors, so you get to cool off. Try to pull it out. The music is on, so we're gonna go check that out. So we missed the princesses, but that was so much fun. I love Gaston. He is like my favorite Disney villain, so I love that we saw him. He's the best. So I got a kid's chicken tenders meal with fries, a water, and then a Danimals. I love these. I haven't had these in so long. And Shira got a pizza flatbread. How's it taste? So good. We're eating inside Pinocchio's village house and it actually overlooks Small World over there, as you can see. And so it's fun because you can see the people getting in line for the ride over there, and if you're against the window, you see the people on the ride. If you have to poop while you're in Disney, go to the Tangled bathroom, the nicest bathrooms here. They're so clean, it doesn't smell weird. So that's what we just did. Sorry if it's a little too much information. Everybody poop. Everybody poop. Well, sad news, we just waited 30 minutes in line for Splash Mountain and they made an announcement that it's temporarily closed for technical difficulties. So we have no idea what happened, but we're kind of sad because we just wasted 30 minutes. So hopefully we can get back on by the end of the day, but it's not looking too hot. So we decided to take a little break, get some ice cream to cool down, and we got ourselves some Mickey ice cream bars. So yummy.
We need 2 people to go again. You want to go again? And we were like, no.
So we waited an hour for that, but we got to wait an hour to go on twice in a row. So that was awesome. This roller coaster is the smoothest roller coaster you can go on. It's really fun. It whips you around for sure, but it's really short, but it's really fun. Favorite time of day. Just look how beautiful it is out here.
So pretty.
Hold on. We got the castle right here. Look how pretty. The sun is setting. It's so beautiful out. I'm in love with Disney World, guys. I think you already know that. So we're eating dinner now in Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe, and this is what I got. I got myself a cheeseburger and fries with a Powerade, and then what'd you get?
Cheeseburger, fries, s'mores.
You got a s'mores, I forgot about that. You'll have to tell me how it is. So these are the s'mores, a little cross section for you, but they're like bubbly. It's like a pastry almost. Is it good?
So good.
It's good. It's like a s'more, but the breading is like more soft than graham cracker, so it's almost better than a s'more, I would say. Different from the past. They actually added dividers so they can put more people on here, but it spaces you out. So there's 4 groups of us here, but we're all spaced out by these little plastic dividers. So there's people right next to me, but I can't see them. Ready for the moment of truth. I've been waiting for this. We can breathe. Just kidding, we can breathe the whole time.
And you can see our faces.
You can actually see our faces. We're so happy out right now.
Tired.
Exhausted.
My legs hurt.
It's gonna be fun. It's fine, it's fine. So we are heading back to the car and I'll show you guys everything we got once we get in there. Sorry for the whack lighting. We are in the car now.
Cute lighting.
So we're gonna do a little haul for you guys, like I said. So I got myself a little Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal. I've always seen these like big feet plushes and I just think they're so cute, and you know, Pooh Bear's just adorable.
I got a Stitch because Stitch is like my favorite little creature ever. He's so cute. And then I got my cousin Shout out to you, Chuck. I got him a little Stitch keychain. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. So cute. And then I already put it on my keys. I got a little Buzz Lightyear keychain. So cute. And it's already attached to my keys.
So that is it for today's video. We are now gonna head home. It's an hour-and-a-half drive and it's 8 p.m. So we got a long way to go. But with that said, I will see y'all soon. Bye guys.